Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is updated and your headphones or AirPods are paired. That prevents hidden incompatibilities. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility, then Audio/Visual. You do this because noise control options live under Audio Routing and Listening Accommodations, enabling them early saves backtracking. Make sure Bluetooth shows a solid connection icon and that volume is moderate. Now you're ready to access the specific noise cancellation toggles without needless steps. You'll enable noise cancellation from Control Center for AirPods or from the accessories entry in Settings Bluetooth. Tap the volume control with AirPods connected, then choose noise cancellation to block ambient sound. Choose transparency if you must hear surroundings. Once selected, adjust the microphone mode and overall volume so speech stays clear without over-attenuating useful cues. If you use wired headphones, use Settings Accessibility Audio/Visual to toggle phone-based sound processing and improve suppression. You finish by testing in the environments you'll use most: commute, office, home, and listen for clarity and comfort. If cancellation feels weak, toggle off, then repair the headphones or restart Bluetooth. Make sure no other audio-enhancing apps conflict. Once stable, set an accessibility shortcut for fast toggling. If problems continue, reset network settings or update firmware on your headset. These steps often resolve persistent pairing or processing bugs, so noise cancellation works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.